his body build is thinner than last time. Did you change the mesh?
No, I couldn't figure it out. Fingers are still a bit wonky as well. Managed to get him grounded, so he's on the ground now.
Oh, okay, yeah, that looks.
And he's facing in the correct direction, so I think something in Unity's setup has managed to fix that as well.
The upper arms looks a bit weird.
This is the problem I'm facing. So we've got the, for some reason, the way it's set up, the shoulders just seem really far back, but also quite in. And I've tried actually manually overriding that motion, and I couldn't see, it didn't look quite right even when I did that. So if I show you, go to -1 maybe? No, okay. Right, so if I just bring in an empty rondelle without any animation applied to it. And if I show you his skeleton, and then if I just grab this, it does actually naturally come in. So I suspect this is like a shortfall of the way that the auto rigger has set this character up online. So it's almost as though the shoulder bones have just been set up too short, and that bone should probably be like there instead. Like even just a handful of centimeters to the left would make all the difference in this case. So what I might do is I've just re-downloaded Fuse again onto this machine, and I'm going to see if I can re-upload it. This time moving the elbow joint slightly further out, because it's the only indicator at that point. Where are we? Show you. Oops.
If you just move that joint on the on the y-axis to make it.
You can't necessarily.
No. Rotate this. Sorry, I mean rotate on the y-axis. No, and this is Z. Yeah.
Hang on, because then it just sort of collapses inside itself.
Okay, yeah.
I think it's probably more of a scaling issue.
So if when you wear the suit, the position of the sensor, will that, if you change that a little bit, will that make a difference?
Possibly, yes.
For example, if you normally put it here instead. Just similar like the shoulder
I think
issue.
it's the shoulders, yeah. I had them pushed there. Maybe if I have them on the top, it might expand the skeleton a bit. So if I load up the animation file itself, so this is the raw capture data. That one maybe? Okay. So if we just scrub through that, you'll see his shoulders and his arms are actually fine.
Yeah, with mesh, it's not.
Yeah. So I think the problem might be either with the skeleton or the mesh that we're getting out of Mixamo.
Can you load some animation just for the purpose of recording?
Which?
Any animation that for the purpose of recording. Just show them some.
Yeah. What have we got here? So.
On mesh.
On a mesh?
Yeah.
Change this out to 4,000. Give me a minute. Oh yeah, this is my empty version. Hold on a second. This one's 4,000. What is it with the animation? What on earth's going on there? I think at that point the sensors have gone out of line. Let me try another one. Yeah, at that point the sensors are out of line. How about there's one here of kicking a bin. Play back. Real time.
Did you record any animation for the down?
For the what?
For the lady, the woman.
No, that's the reason I had her up on my screen when you came in, was I was trying to see if the shoulder issue existed on her as well.
Okay. It might be better because she's a woman, female character normally.
Slimmer shoulders.
Yeah.
Yeah. No idea what's going on with the legs there. I'm fairly certain at that point the recording's just gone on too long and the sensors have started to drift. But I'm sure we can fix that. We'll just take short recordings. Show you something else.
On your phone?
Yep.
Let me pause this.